Today we will talk about making wine. Topic: fermentation time. Why is it important? Many people don't understand how many days we need to ferment it. You will get delicious noodles. Some people say, oh, I can marinate it however I want. I want to marinate it. 5 days, 10 days. Ask if it's possible, but it will be delicious, it will be delicious. Let's talk about the balance. We have to come and see. Auntie Moo, I won't talk about other recipes. We'll talk about only an Auntie Moo's recipe. Because if you make another recipe, Auntie Moo will not answer. You can, but if it's Auntie Moo's recipe, at least follow what Auntie Moo said. Yes, we have to ferment for 10 days to have enough alcohol. When asked about 10 days of alcohol, how much depends on the type of lye. We can't talk about the total number of lies. For example, if there are 10 types of lye, you will get the same alcohol. It's not like Auntie Moo said to ferment for at least 10 days. In the case of people who don't like tall wastes, after 10 days, you will have a certain amount of waste. But if anyone wants to make a quality yaoi, at least make it. 2 weeks to 20 days, you will be able to build your waste to its fullest extent. But it depends on yid. How good is the quality of yid you use? How good is the quality of yid? It doesn't matter. It's measured by the brand, my friends. It's not measured by the brand or measured by the size. Bread or stretched bread? Did you stretch it? Did you stretch it again? You can keep it in storage. If you keep it in storage, it will lose its quality. If you ferment it, it might not be able to create alcohol either. There are many factors involved, my friends. The fermentation process is very important. Well, if you ferment it for too few days, it won't be able to create alcohol. The alcohol production is not yet complete when we ferment and then knock down to the stage. This fermentation of whey may be able to climb up the donkey. Whey can climb up the donkey, my friends. If we ferment too little for too long, why? Fruit or the body? The base used has sugar in it. Donkeys love sugar. Auntie, if you marinate pork for 15 days or 20 days, the yeast will eat all the sugar, my friends. Well, there won't be any sweetness left after we knock out the yeast and ferment it. It will be free from mold. We do it the right way. It will be free from mold. We ferment. 15 to 20 days. Stop eating sugar and change to alcohol so there's only sweetness left. He can't come near us because it's so fast. It changes. The alcohol level is higher now. They won't bother you. People, marinate for 5 days. Oh, I like it. This flavor is delicious. It's not. If you make a small amount, like 1 liter or 2 liters, put it in the refrigerator and drink it, it's fine. But if you make a lot, please, make 5 to 6 liters, 10 liters or more. Ferment for at least 15 days. Stretch it out and eat it. Sugar alcohol is already fully produced, so it will be free of mold. There will be a fermentation period. 15 to 20 days is good. If you ferment for 30 days, it will take a long time. It's too much. You have to fix the taste. Anyone who's good at it can do it. If you want to fix the bad taste yourself, you can ferment it for 20 or 30 days. It's not a problem I'm sure you can fix the taste. You can marinate it for 20 days, 30 days, but if you're not sure how to fix the flavor, follow Auntie Moo's recipe. It's very easy to make. Follow the recipe. If the clip tells you how many days to marinate, do that. It will take a long time to marinate. 30 days makes you feel bitter and astringent. Ask yourself, is it very bitter and astringent? A lot, because it has consumed all the sugar and there is no sweetness left, so it ferments. I keep going with the leeches. The leeches that have eaten all the sugar it's like digesting itself. The basket or the remains digesting itself. Fermenting for 30 days, the sieves and the baskets will decompose themselves. This will cause the sieves to go bad. This flavor is mentioned in Aunt Moo's recipe. Aunt Moo doesn't mention the recipe. Other people. Auntie Moo's recipe takes a long time to ferment, like 20 days. Some recipes require 25 days. Yes, it depends on the stretch we use. Some are naturally stretched anti-mook. It is fermented for a long time, 20 to 25 days. Some recipes use rice flour or areca flour. Or if you bring it in yourself to ferment, it will take a long time to ferment, 25 days. It depends on many things. Let's fix the flavor of the story. Yes, Aunt Moo will make a video teaching you how to separate the alcohol. It depends on, there are many factors. 1. The fruit we use for fermentation. 2. The yeast we use. Marinate with 3 sugars. The sugars we use are white granulated sugar and red granulated sugar. Or is it syrup? 5 days for fermentation, 6 days for fermentation. See you. Yes, there are many contributing factors, so whoever wants to do something wrong, you have to study the information carefully if you are a complete beginner or want to do it. Why recipe is delicious. Watch Auntie Moo's clip. Auntie Moo's clip. Auntie Moo teaches very well, very detailed. You've never done anything wrong before. You can do it. Most of the time, you know. Dear students who are doing a project to submit to the teacher, please use Auntie Moo's formula. It's big, so when you watch Auntie Moo's clips, you watch from the beginning until the end. That's all. In every clip that Auntie Moo teaches, Auntie Moo gives full knowledge. There's a catch. Today we're going to talk about making a fermentation pot. What time or day should we use to ferment? How important is it? I hope it will be useful for members who join. I came to watch Auntie Moo's video clip and felt delighted and happy.